Hi everyone, in today's video tutorial I will be showing you how to make arpeggios out of chord progressions. So let's get into this tutorial. We're going to be using FL Studio today. I am using version 21, but this function works for any version. You want to open your piano roll, and let's start with a simple instrument. So what I will get is FL keys, for example. We'll just start with a really simple Fruity Loops plugin. We got FL keys here. So what we want to do is we want to get FL keys or any plugin that you want to use and put down a simple chord. So we're gonna do a simple. We might put it down an octave. So a simple C minor chord, and then we'll drag that out for the full bar. We want to put it down in the arrangement. From here, we want to go onto FL keys. We want to go to this miscellaneous functions tab, and from here you'll see Arpeggiator. A lot of people usually just make arpeggios themselves, but this is a really easy way to do it. Set the range to 4 because we have a chord with 4 notes in it. You can do up, down, you can do up, down, bounce arpeggios, sticky, I'm not really sure what that one is. You can set the time for it as well. See, it makes an arpeggio for you. Set the range to 2 instead. Or if you just want it to be 1, you can do it up as well. You can also add slide to it if you wanted to, which adds this. That's actually a pretty cool sound. And yeah, that's how you make arpeggios out of chords in FL Studio. Thanks for watching.